Hey everyone, I'm back again to give you another listen to how this amazing Juson JTA-100 sounds. As I've mentioned before, the Dayton Audio HTA200 is the exact same amp, so everything I show here applies to that one as well. The amp has been upgraded with new tubes to enhance its performance. Links to all the details are in the description. For this test, the tone controls are set to neutral, no bass or treble boosts, just the pure sound of the amp. I'll be playing Dire Straits, You and Your Friend from CD, on my Technics SL-PG200A. This track from their 1991 album On Every Street features crisp guitar work, deep bass, and smooth vocals, making it a great choice to showcase the amp's warmth, clarity, and instrument separation. The intricate guitar tones and atmospheric production really let you hear the detail and dynamics this amp can deliver. All right, let's fire it up and see how this amp sounds. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know, because I'd love to record more of these to give you an even better idea of how this amp sounds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.